Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a really cool, free way to create a realistic ripped paper effect using Canva. This is a fantastic trick for making your designs stand out, whether you're working on social media posts, digital scrapbooks, or just looking to add a trendy handmade touch to any project. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to pull off this effect, and you'll be able to use it again and again for all sorts of creative work. So let's dive right in. First thing you'll want to do is head over to Canva. If you're not familiar, Canva is a free online design tool that's really easy to use, even for beginners. Just open up your browser, go to canva.com, and take a moment to log into your account. If you don't have one yet, it's super simple to sign up and you'll get instant access. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look towards the upper right corner for the Create a Design button. Go ahead and give that a click. Now we're going to tell Canva precisely what canvas size we want to work with. Choose Custom Size. This lets you set the exact dimensions for your project, which is really helpful for things like Instagram posts, profile pictures, or just keeping things easy to manage. For today's tutorial, let's set it to 300 by 300 pixels. This is a nice compact square that works well for showing off the ripped paper effect without getting lost in a larger design. Now that we've set our custom size, hit Create New Design and your blank canvas will pop up, ready for action. Think of this as your digital piece of paper. The next step is to add a photo that you want to give this ripped paper vibe to. On the left menu, you'll see an Uploads button. Click there and either choose a photo you've already got in your library or upload a new one from your device. Maybe pick a colorful portrait or a dramatic landscape. The rip effect looks awesome with both. Once your image is uploaded, simply drag it onto your canvas and resize as needed. Take a moment here to position your photo just the way you want. This is the foundation for the ripped look. Here comes the magic. Let's add the ripped or torn paper effect. Look over to the left panel and find the Elements tab. It's packed with all sorts of graphics, shapes, and fun visual extras. In the search bar right at the top, type in torn paper. Canva has loads of torn paper graphics. Some look like ripped notebook edges, some are crinkled, others look like magazine tears. Scroll through the options and just pick the one that feels right for your design. When you found a torn edge you like, click it and it'll appear on your canvas. Drag it so it lines up perfectly with your photo, maybe across the top, down the side, wherever you want your ripped effect to show. Don't worry if you need to adjust the size or rotate it a bit. Click and drag the corners until it fits just right. And really, that's all it takes. You've just created a striking ripped paper effect entirely in Canva, no fancy software needed. Take a second to tweak the placement or even layer multiple ripped graphics for a more dramatic look. You can play with shadows and color overlays too, if you want to, but the hard part is already done. Give yourself a pat on the back. If you enjoyed this creative tip, please hit that like button, and if you have any questions or want to see more Canva ideas, just drop a comment down below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy, stylish tutorials every week. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.